Today's court appearance for the man charged with killing NHL star Johnny Gaudreau and his brother Matthew.
That's right. Today, the judge issued some key rulings in that case ahead of the upcoming trial. Authorities say Sean Higgins was driving drunk when he hit the brothers who were on bicycles last August in Oldman's Township. But today, Higgins' attorney argued 3 charges should be dropped.
Action News reporter Trish Hartman live for us now in Salem with the details from there. Trish.
Yeah, Shari and Christy, it was an emotional day in court and a lot of ground covered today. Attorneys for Sean Higgins argued that several of his charges should be dismissed, but after hours in court, those charges still stand. Attorneys for 44-year-old Sean Higgins argued that 3 of the charges against him should be thrown out. Higgins is accused of striking and killing NHL player Johnny Gaudreau and his brother Matthew in August of last year. The brothers were on bicycles in Oldman's Township. Higgins is also accused of leaving the scene. At one point, Higgins appeared to wipe away tears during the proceedings.
But we have other judges out there, judges recognizing the fact that if you're intoxicated, you shouldn't be riding your bicycle on the street.
Defense attorneys argued a grand jury should have been told about the Gaudreau brothers' blood alcohol levels at the time of the crash, which they say were higher than Higgins' level of .087. Prosecutors have filed a motion to bar that evidence from trial, but no ruling on that has been made.
You read the extent of these injuries that these 2 men suffered during this accident. BAC was not something that contributed to their deaths.
Motions for access to evidence were also discussed, including medical reports containing blood alcohol levels for Higgins and the Gaudreau brothers. Ultimately, Judge Michael Silvanio denied the motion to dismiss the 3 charges.
There's no credence in the argument that there would be contributory negligence on behalf of the cyclist in this case. There's no basis in the law for that argument.
The Gaudreau family shared hugs outside of court after the hearing. Supporters of Higgins expressed anger over our cameras outside the courthouse.
No comment.
Now, a plea deal had previously been offered by the state. That was another topic of conversation in court today. The defense has rejected that plea deal. Higgins faces 70 years in prison if he's convicted on all the charges. The next court date in this case is scheduled for June 10th. Live in Salem, New Jersey, Trish Hartman, Channel 6, Action News.